Hi, it's Greta from AttentionInsight. In today's video, we will learn how to optimize a part of a landing page featuring a portfolio to get better AI analysis results. I have a layout created on Figma platform. Let's test it with AttentionInsight plugin. Press on the artboard, go to Plugins, AttentionInsight, Analyze Design. Results show that the clarity score is 73%, which is an optimal clarity. The heat map recognizes the heading, body text, and CTA button, leaving the photographs with very little focus from the viewer. Let's press Get More Insights to find out more about the percentage of attention of the elements on the AttentionInsight app. I will draw areas of interest on the most important elements: heading, text, and pictures 1, 2, and 3. CTA button is already marked. Let's think about how we could improve the design. To increase the clarity score and make the design more readable, we need to apply a grid and adjust the white space around the elements. To distribute the focus more clearly and improve the heat map coverage, we need to alter the hierarchy of the elements and adjust the balance. I will open Figma again and make a copy of the artboard. The first one will be called before and the second one after. Let's apply a column grid. This time we will use 12 columns, margins of 176 pixels, and a gutter of 40 pixels. For clarity and aesthetics, I will make the gutters wide. I will also apply a base grid according to the rule of 8. The smallest gaps will be 8 pixels. The sizes of the elements are fine. We just need to adjust the white space. Let's move all the elements down. If text on a web page is long, it is unlikely that the viewer is going to read it. However, if we subtract text into a column, we provide an ability for a clearer focus. In this way, the text doesn't look so exhausting, the lines are shorter, and the readability of the text should be improved, as well as the focus should be more substantial. I will align the gaps and will distribute the pictures evenly to create more white space. The photographs are now symmetrical, which creates a clearer hierarchy. However, since we know it's a landing page with a portfolio, we can generate more attention for the middle photograph, which could be the project's representative photo. Instead of symmetrical balance, we can create a radial balance, emphasizing the middle photograph. I will bring it down slightly and increase its size. This kind of balance is more interesting, which is less boring, and in this case, more attention should supposedly go to the central photo, making it a focal point. To make the composition more spatial and exciting, let's add an additional color to the background. So we distributed the white space in a more preferable way, align all the elements, and we also created a radial balance to make a clearer focus for the central figure, which is now the focal point of the design. The last point is to see if our forecast corresponds to what AttentionInsight has to show us. We can see that the clarity score increased 5%. Now it's 78%, which means that we got a result which we had predicted. Now there's more focus on all the elements, including the heading, all the text, which means that the text is easier to read, CTA, and the middle photo, which we wanted to hierarchically dedicate the most percentage for. Let's look at the detailed analysis. We will draw areas of interest on the same elements as on the previous version of the design. We can compare them both by clicking Create New Comparison. According to percentage, we can see that elements get better results in the after design, and so is the heat map. The focus is clearer and the feeling of the design is lighter. Even though it looks like some elements such as CTA and heading lost the focus in the percentage, according to the heat map we can see that they still get viewers' attention. The text, rising from 15 to 25%, gets more focus and is easier to read, and the middle photograph, which percentage of attention increased from 9 to 37%, receives more attention too. All in all, the clarity score is higher, so the readability is better. All the design looks cleaner and clearer, the design looks more modern too, and the focus is distributed more evenly. Our goal is reached.